good morning. This is your original Gambone that will tell you what you gotta hear. Today is another new day, okay? If you are a new subscriber, if you are new on my channel, please do go and press the subscription button and notification button. So anytime I upload a new video, you will get it, okay? This is your the original Facebook storyteller. Like as I told you people, I am not doing saga anymore, but I will tell you the story behind the saga and how the whole saga started. This is your Ada Biafra. Remember, after I finish all this storyteller, maybe from now till end of this month, I will officially go into Biafran struggle. This time around, I am going to do it in a very amazing way. It must get to everybody that the message got to get to them. So, like as I told you, let me go back to this original of storyteller. Today, I am bringing you the update, what actually led to this story about Facebook Igbo saga. Now only Ama will tell you what you gotta hear. So guys, this thing started sometime I think January. There was a lady called Ifi Adugo that agitated for Biafran struggle. So when this lady was doing this Biafran struggle, I find it so amazing. I go in with her, I give her all my support, I talat with her, sometime last year, 2018, the agitation started, but 2018, this whole thing started, So sometime September, the lady came online to ask for money to buy a phone. And the reason why she asked for the money, she mentioned the reason why is that she is doing Biafran struggle and her phone is giving her a problem. And me, I notice it because whenever she is online, she will be like, the phone will be like making a lot of problem to her. And, I felt that we really need to do something because she's pulling crowd, she's doing it amazing, even people start getting to know what is actually happened. And she's a woman like me, a fellow woman like me. I go in to give her my support, only for me to send her 100 euro, to support her to buy a new phone. And this lady switch over. She doesn't agitate anymore. She doesn't do anything anymore. So at the time I come to ask her what really happened, she start telling me some story. But guys, let me tell you people, I don't want to go into this. But when there is a problem, it's problem that always bring also problem. You understand? So she start to tell me a lot of things, like I saw her that she has started backsliding. So I was thinking that maybe after a while she will regain herself and come out as usual. Then before you know what happens, she switched over from Biafran thing to another thing that will be giving her money, because that is what she told me. So I start creating awareness. I start asking her, why are you doing like this? That is where all this problem, all this saga you see started. Now, how did Ogechi get in? When she made a live video, she made a live video telling people, she came to make a video about me, and it's like Ogechi come in there. So she now tell Ogechi, this lady also say you a 419. And Ogechi did not ask question. Ogechi started, put hand together with her to insult me. That was how the whole thing started. Now, as Ogechi started insult me, Ogechi now tell the woman, that money that I'm talking about, that you should eat the money and swallow it. So that is what really bring me and Ogechi problems. I am coming back. How did okay, I am coming back. When I come back, I will still let you understand how Oluchiloi get into this. So stay.
That lady video on the one that is called Amma. I've been seeing her video here on YouTube. But the other one, if he, I don't really know her very well. But after that, their problem. There's a day I saw the video, live video of Ify. That one is Ify Adugo. She's living in Netherlands. So I saw the live video on Facebook. I listened to the live video. I see that she was having saga. She was busy bullying one lady called Amma, which I've already made a video about. That one, you can go and check it out. So she was, you know, in that video, they were two. She and one lady called Ogechi, they are facing this lady, Amma. So I feel very big pain. I said, okay, let me use this, my media, to share to people so that people they can be aware what is happening and be careful as well, because there's a lot of things that goes on inside that what I understand inside that problem that we are having. I say it's good to share.
So guys, you listen what she was saying. You know, she said that I have a love of Biafra. So she rescued me because of Biafra, you know. So you listen, I just allow her to say this. So you will hear the video from somebody else. So you can be able to understand what I am here to tell you. So it was Ify Adugo who put Ogechi in a mess that Ogechi went through in my hands. You understand? But guys, let me tell you people, I am not here to start all this story up or to start this problem with me and Ify Adugo. We have died that matter since March last year. We have ended that matter. But what Ogechi is suffering in my hand even to till today was caused by Ify Adugo. Believe me. Even Ogechi will tell you the same. If she can tell you, she will tell you the same. But this is how Oluchiloi get involved. As she made that video, I saw the video. It pains me that this thing that happened, they have started putting it on social media, on a YouTube. And I give her call because somebody, I make a whatever and say that I would like to know this lady. So that is how they gave me her contact. I contacted her. I said, you went so far to put it on YouTube. Why? So when she narrate everything, so she started asking me how everything went or goes. I told her everything. That is how this Oluchiloi enter. Now, my question now to Oluchiloi, if you listen to the video, you will see where she compliment me that I have a love for Biafra. But it's the same her who told me not to give George Onyibe money when I wanted to compensate that man. Because every time George Onyibe broadcast, the broadcast always turn my stomach. I do tell people, yes. And I called George Onyibe and said, the way you are broadcasting, I don't like it. So when George Onyibe start narrating me everything, I see reason why he's doing that. And that is when I told Oluchiloi, I am going to support this man with money. Oluchiloi stopped me not to do that. The same Oluchiloi stopped me not to give any support to Biafra matchmakers. When she said that I have a love for Biafra, I think you people hear it from her mouth. I am not the one who said that. She was the one who said that. But she stopped me not to give money to Onyibe. She stopped me not to buy clothes from Efe. She stopped me not to support Biafra match. But do you know the reason why she got me blocked is because of all these things that she did? I did not concur with her. I use my brain because I have the love to do that. Is my willingly, is my wish to help, not anybody wish. So she can't tell me not to do this. She have said her mind, but I did my mind. So when she see that she cannot manipulate what is here, she got me blocked and starts going to tell people, start telling people that Biafra, IPOB in Torino has bound me not to enter IPOB, just to tell you what is their mission, their plan towards me. They see, they have this hatred and jealousy in anything I am doing. I don't know. See, let me tell you people, between me and Ogechi fight, it was somebody who caused it, and I did not see myself. There is something Ogechi did to me that warrant me to insult her. No. But you see, all these people who are fighting Ogechi, the simple truth is that they have jealousy and hatred towards what Ogechi is doing. That is final. Forget about all this story they are telling you. But this is how everything happened. Guys, stay tuned. I will still be bringing you updates because I am your storyteller. Don't forget, I am the one who will tell you the story you gotta hear. And I want to use this opportunity to tell you guys, this video they are putting my name. If you look, it was my name, it was my image. Everything about that video is me. I am the real person. So what I want to tell you is that stop going to Oluchi Lloyd to subscribe to watch my video. Come to my own channel at Gambone. That is where you are getting the update. Everything about this saga, you will only get it. The update is only So guys, without wasting time, so don't go to Oluchi Lloyd to go and subscribe. If you remember, everything about this video is my name, is my image, is me particularly. So come to Gambone where you are to get the update. I am going to be telling you everything you gotta hear about this saga, how it started, and where the saga reached up till now. So I will still bring you update about Ama betrayed them. I will tell you what caused all those betrayed. Okay, so this is the original Ama. Subscribe at Ama Gambone, the original face of Biafra. Bye bye. Thank you.